Warm greetings! In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating a wide range of digital document forms within elDoc. elDoc offers a wealth of advanced capabilities to design digital forms, ranging from simple to complex, with various types and formats of fields. To begin, navigate to the Administration menu and select Form Designer. To create a new digital document form, click on the Add Document Form button and activate the editing mode. It's advisable to give the digital document form a descriptive name. You can also specify the folder where the form should be located. If needed, you can link specific workflows to the digital document form for seamless integration. After completing the basic settings, move on to the Settings tab. Here, you can specify who will have the authority to create this digital document form in your company. You have the flexibility to grant this privilege to all users or to only specific users, or groups of users. Additionally, you can enable settings to determine at which stage the registration number for the digital form should be assigned. Another important configuration is defining the retention period for the digital document form. This allows you to set how long the form will be retained within the system. You can also establish settings for editing permissions at different stages of the form's life cycle. Lastly, you have the option to fine-tune settings regarding who can modify the document and who has access to it. These settings provide granular control over the form's life cycle and access rights. Once you've configured the general settings, you can move on to defining the number of fields, their types, and formats for your digital document form. Each digital document form comes with some default predefined fields, and you have the flexibility to customize them according to your needs. You can specify whether these fields are required or optional. Moreover, elDoc offers a wide range of field formats that you can add to your digital document form. These include text fields, checkboxes, lists of values, data retrieved from your CRM system, table data, signature fields, and more. This diverse set of field formats allows you to tailor your digital document form to suit your specific requirements. Before publishing your new digital document form, it's a good practice to preview it to ensure that all the necessary fields have been added correctly. To do this, simply click on the Preview Document Form option. This allows you to review the form and make any necessary adjustments before it becomes available for use. After you've configured all the previous tabs, you can proceed to the Document Templates tab and add the document template to your digital form if it's required. To ensure that you don't lose any of the configurations you've just made, be sure to click on the Save button. This will save your settings and enable you to have a new digital document form ready for use throughout your company. Ready to simplify your document workflows? Get your free elDoc trial today.